Fester! Stay away from our friend! Huh? What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Rolf is not amused! Where is the brainy-head boy? Present. Filthy animals do not belong in Rolf's shed! My patience is wearing thin like Mama's head of hair!
Get it!
Do not fool Rolf!
我々京都のすぐのそのものは
Peekaboo, Rolf sees you! May your nose fester with the rage of olives! Goodbye! A burden has been placed on Rolf.